Yo, what's up? This is Jammy Trip here. Yeah, channel name change apparently, I guess. So, what's up? It's been a minute, I guess. It's been about a year. But man, I haven't posted on this channel for like 3-4 years, man. All right. So anyway, let's get out of this cringe fest and. So today I'm going to be building the Los Angeles Lakers, and the only settings I've changed are, I've just took off these ones, because no one likes these settings. I turned them off, because, reasons. But it's the only thing I've changed, and also I turned off injuries, so AD is no longer injured. I kind of think with the roster update, never mind. Man, when they got Wesley Matthews, I really thought he would have been the same as Danny Green. Oh, and let's see how Danny Green's doing on the 76ers right now. Alright, so they're around the same overall. So at least we didn't pay Danny Green like $20 million like they did last year. Actually, it might have been $20 million. I think it was $16 million though. If I can remember off the top of my head, it was $15 million. Well, I don't know. But yeah, I know where I would like to improve, and I know who I would like to sign. Bam! Now we just got I'm joking. I think I might sign okay, I can't sign him. But I'm gonna do what I hope the Lakers would do, and well, I don't really know if I hope they would sign him, but yeah, we're going old school. We're constructing a trade. It sounds like a foreign language. You'll see what I'm doing here in a minute. I think I have an idea of what I want to do. Go to Balake Griffin. And I just saw his contract. Now I know why the Lakers want him to be released. That hurts. That hurts. Okay, well. Alright, can I change Kuz back to small forward? We need a good shooting guard. KCP got his payday, but I don't know. I was a fan of KCP because I bandwagoned onto him after the playoffs, but hopefully he can turn the energy back up like he did last time. Oh, Marc Gasol's out of here. I love Marc Gasol. I think he has he has a good personality on the team. He's a good leader. It's just he's too old and he doesn't have the defensive awareness or skill like other centers would. Am I playing with salary? Yeah, I'm playing with salary cap on. Well, what's the harm with one year? It's not like this is 2K. I can always trade him back. Balake Griffin there, confirm change. What I even do? But like this. So he's our new sixth man. He looks so confused in that picture. Oh my gosh. It's funny how confused he looks. So I didn't want this to be too long. Okay, let's just get into this recording. Alright, so first one against the Clippers, and then a win against the Bulls. Oh man, I wanna see if Balake is actually doing something. Oh my, can't help me. Anthony Davis is only averaging that much. Hold on, let me look. Let me go to Basketball Reference. See how much he's actually making right now. I mean, scoring right now. Anthony Davis stats. I'm sad that he's injured, because you can see how much of an effect he actually had on the team defensively. He's been averaging 22 points. Man, that's lower than his career stats. I don't know. Anthony Davis just seems off this year. I love him. I have a jersey of him. I have a jersey of his, but when he got to LA, I was really hoping he would just carry the load off of LeBron's back, and LeBron could really be his playmaking self. I still wanted him to ball out in that, but alright, so I'll see you guys at the end of the season, or if I make any big trades. Okay, so I don't know, after I stopped recording, kind of went on a little losing streak. Right about, right in this area. So, let's just look at these stats here. 80, Bron, is it just because Bron's been down? Nope, it's not because of that. I feel like we have too many big men. Oh, yeah. Right here is, okay. Let's just trade. Oh, no. We never gonna trade a THT. He's his god. I want to get a good shooting guard. This is a good idea. This is also a good idea because it brings some perimeter defense. This would never happen in real life. I swear to God. Why'd I do that? Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I feel like after you signed with the Atlanta Hawks, you really went on a downward path, you know? Hey, hopefully you can get back up, but how good is he at defense? I did not see that extended deal there. Trey Burke? Maybe. Let's look at this. Let's look at Trey Burke's. Nope. Chris Dunn would actually be a pretty good piece, but I'm gonna think on Chris Dunn. Well, man. Alright, let's go to... I want to see what the 76ers want, and I'm going to the 76ers a lot, I guess. I think I only went once, though, so I'm over-exaggerating. Yep, Matisse. I'm willing to do this, or just replace THT with someone. With Isaiah Joe. Oh, he's the bomb. I actually think his overall is underrated. At least from what I saw, like, in the beginning of the year with the Cavs game. It's like, I haven't been watching the TV lately, man. Alright, let's just go with this trade. We already got, like... We are... Oh, snap. I thought we had another center. Well, that's an issue. Wait, where's Damian Jones? Here. Alright, let's just buy him out. Crap. Let's look at our positions. Good. I know what we need to do. We need to trade away Matthews. Anyway, sorry, I got cut off there. I accidentally hit a button, but oh crap. Yeah, I think I just need to get a new center, and that's about it. So let's throw someone into this trade finder. Boom, we could do that, but I just want to look at my options here. Bismack is not too bad of an idea. Hold on. Am I stupid or I missed this? Okay, I was confused about the team colors. I'm drawing a blank on how good his defense is. Okay, he's decent defense. I'm not trading for him. He has all Fs. I'd trade for him, but I just feel like that's too much of a cheat code. Nope. Yep, yeah. Yeah, Bismack is the man. I was watching Kenny for Real's 2K20 My Career like last year, and Bismack Biyombo was the man. Alright, well, I'll see you whenever we, if I make another big move or when the season ends. Hold up, do you see Anthony Davis on this all-star? Okay, there he is. He's to the right. I did not see Anthony Davis, and I was about to say, if Anthony Davis is not an all-star, I was about to flip, man. But okay, he's an all-star, so yeah, LeBron became the captain. Didn't pick AD though, so questionable there. But this is kind of AI, so you know. 2K21's AI does not make sense, but no, it's the only basketball game on the books right now, so that sucks. Anyway, see you guys at the end of the season. Alrighty, so Luka won MVP, LaMelo won Rookie of the Year, which I think will happen in real life. This probably won't happen in real life unless he kicks it up at the end of the season. JaVale McGee, 6th Man of the Year. Low-key hope that happens because I live in Ohio and I'm a Cleveland fan. Can't wait. And then Giannis is the Defensive Player of the Year. So I think Rudy Gobert might be this year. I really do think that, but Christian Wood most improved. Yeah, he deserves that. And then Doc Rivers, he probably will if they finish first in the year. But LeBron, first team All-NBA. Oh, jeez. Okay, there's Anthony Davis. Honestly, I think Andre Drummond could have got Defensive Player of the Year. He could get Defensive Player of the Year this year, but the Cavs sad him out, so I don't know. We're the 1st seed. Earlier, we were the 5th seed. So let's see how we do against Denver. Alright, clean sweep. I don't think Denver will be there like that next year, but oh man, Golden State Warriors got swept. If Steph Curry played like he did earlier in the season, and the whole team played like they did, oh god, earlier in the season, I think they might have had a chance at a higher seed. Oh my gosh, how did we go down? Just by the way, this is a 3-year thing, so I don't want this to be too long, but I think it's already like past 10 minutes. Oh god. okay, it's the final. I was about to tune in. Okay, well, Browns never became a 3-0 sweep, so overcame. Sorry. What even did I say? Okay. Let's go. All right. I swear to God, if we win, this just shows the this shows 2K. Okay, maybe I should have said, we're not winning. Alright, well, we lost to the Phoenix Suns, which I think is unrealistic. But honestly, the Phoenix Suns do pose a pretty good match against the Lakers. How did the Raptors get... Did Pascal Siakam advance? I still can't believe that Fred VanVleet is the highest overall on this team. Like, if you just looked at last year, you would not believe it. And the Raptors won. This just shows how unrealistic it is. It doesn't even show the Brooklyn Nets can pass the second round. Milwaukee got there, passing out the Celtics. So I think we have our team all figured out here. Tyrese Maxey and Alex Caruso. Thibault and Curry. So 76er shooting guard slot right here. And then Braun, Kuzma. And then he might get a little playing time, probably not. And then I trade for Miles Bridges just so we could have someone to back up AD. And then Brook Lopez, because, you know, why not? Just why not Brook Lopez? His inside defense is good, surprisingly. Alright, well, nope, I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, just, mid-thought. So, I'm new to, you know, the new games. What am I saying? The new game? What the heck? No, I'm just new to recording, so just leave a comment below on how I did. I'll take criticism and criticisms like, yeah, so pretty cool. I'm joking, by the way. I don't know if I'll have to say all the times I'm being sarcastic in the world we live in nowadays, how sensitive people are, but yeah, I'll check in on you guys at the end of the season. Random thoughts with Jameson here. Have you guys ever thought, that the and sign kind of looks like 8 and an A combined? Just weird thoughts, you know? Alright, well, Luka is 2-time MVP winner in this imaginary world. Cade Cunningham is Rookie of the Year. I hope that happens next year because I like Cade. Oh, look, he plays for the Thunder, just like his colleges in Oklahoma. Precious is 6-man. Giannis Antetokounmpo. This looks like the same exact things as last year, just a little bit different. Never mind. There's Stan Van Gundy. Has Stan Van Gundy ever just like creeped you out? In 2K17, he was my coach for the Pistons, but I don't know. Just his face kind of creeps me out there. AD finally went up there, and then okay, LeBron's second team. Man, that's LeBron is on a downfall. We're third. We're playing the Thunder. I swear if Cade Cunningham beats us, the first went down 2-0, so watch this video blows. I wanted to screen. Watch this video blows up and I like make enough to buy a PC or something, a gaming PC. I know that would never happen, but oh no. But I would watch the last. Nope. Yeah, we lost first round to Cade Cunningham. which I think is BS, but who cares? This would never happen in real life unless Kaylee went out and went God mode. Alright, well, last year is coming up here, third year, so I'm a little scared. We won't win a championship, so might do something a little rhetorical in the off season, so watch out for this big three. Wait, let's just, I'm gonna cut off. Did LeBron... He retired. He retired. Who else retired? I don't hear about that. Oh, he retired. It's the only thing that I did not want to happen. He would never retire at 37, I feel like. Man. Alright, well, since we won't rebuild, let's blow up my team. Alright, well, guys, it's maybe a little bit extended because LeBron had to retire the year before the last year, so. Here, yes. It's gonna stay now, but, okay, we got Kevin Durant. Wait, what? Hold on. Let's just get out of here first. Okay, we got Kevin Durant. I was really hoping we could have bought him. Got him in free agency, but, Alright, well, right now it shows that I've been on for 9 minutes, and, that doesn't show the full video. This just shows the little segment. So I'll just be back to you guys, whenever I get my team filled out. Well, I just realized now that, the Thunder actually had Kawhi, Shea, and Cade Cunningham. So, yeah, now I'm gonna try to trade for Chef Curry. I don't even like Steph Curry, it's just, he's good. Oh. I swear if we can get a trade for him. Precious. No, I thought Precious would have done it. Let's get some people in free agency. Let's get the best person. I'm not gonna... Oh, it's a bunch of old heads and Daniel Tice. Let's get Daniel Tice and just make him a power forward. I was confused there for a sec. Okay, so... Master Tice. Boom. Did I make Mason Plum? Okay, I guess I did. Nice. Aaron. For Chef Curry. That means it's close. Come on. Alright, well, and let's make... What if we do the same exact thing? For Curry... See, they know that this is a good trade. They just don't want to give up generational talent, because... Sorry, that bothered me. I just realized. Daniel Tice. Okay. I don't know why, but this is just bothering me that I can't get him. No for Curry. Man. Let's just try to get someone. Just to try. Bella. 4-star. Almost 4 stars. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do the Clint Capella one. Make him a power forward, because you know that always works. And do... No. Boom, boom. 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 Alright, let's get someone for AA run and Alex Caruso. I know no one wants me to trade away Alex Caruso, but I just need someone that's like top tier talent. Yep. I don't know how they're gonna say no to their... Okay. No way they decline this. Honestly, I honestly think we should keep shooting guard, center, and then just trade away all the other pieces, but... This is Stephen Curry. I wish I had webcam right now. You would not see the smile I have. Alright, so now to fill this team in. I'll be back to you once it's not boring anymore. Bro, I should do some Morgs things where it's like, and this is how I turn this team into this team. That'd be so stupid but funny. Anyway, I just filled it out with a bunch of scrubs. But I know it's not a good tactic, but I'll just try to trade these guys down here for some good players. But yeah, here's our big three. I think it's probably the best big three ever assembled in basketball. Cause yeah, it's just versatile. Man. Alright, well I'll see you guys when I actually, no, I'll just trade here. This is the boring part though, just going through trade finder things. Cedi Osman. Ooh. Alright. Well, anyway, I'll stop this right here and show you how our new team will look. OMG. LaMelo Ball just won the MVP. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if he did this in real life because he's looking like a promising prospect, but this is his 3rd year in the season. Man. I'm just surprised. This dude's rookie of the year. I thought it would have been Imani Bates. Giannis is defensive player of the year 4 times in a row now, so. Okay, well, I don't have a lot of comments on that. Well, he finished the season off with 57 and 25. Oh, okay, so KD and AD got 2nd team, and then Steph got 3rd team. AD got all defensive team. So we're first in the conference. Let's see how we do against the Timberwolves. If we blow this, I will be so mad with 2K. Alright. Up against Phoenix, our mortal enemy. 3. Nope. Okay. I think this is the farthest we got, isn't it? I'm not sure. We're finally going to the playoffs. Oh, this is this year's playoffs. Miami versus Lakers. 1. Nope. No. On, we have God Squad. Who could Miami Who could Miami have? Devontae Graham, Tyler. This isn't even as good as our team. Hold on, let's put a... Where is Heat here? Let's put our main man, myth, and legend, AD on you. Jimmy, we can have KD on you. Okay. Boom. Alright. This is scary now. This is our first time to end off the video. Will we win a championship? Come on. We were this close, just this close. Alright guys, well I guess that will cap off the video here. Remember to like and subscribe if you like this video. Do not go back and look at my old videos because they are cringe fest. But anyway, yeah, like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.